Motorists and business owners will have to put up with the disruption caused by the Hagley Park and Constant Spring Road improvement projects for longer than expected. This as the timelines for completion have been pushed back by an additional 2 months. As TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is defending the delay, assuring residents that it will be worth the wait.
Since 2018, traveling in the corporate area has been miserable. The reason? Roadwork along major thoroughfares like Constant Spring and Hagley Park roads. Motorists, business owners, pedestrians and residents have been asking one question: when will the roadwork end? Initially, the National Works Agency had announced that work along Constant Spring Road would finish by August and June for Hagley Park Road. But people will have to put up with the inconvenience a while longer.
Yes, it has been dislocating, disruptive, no question about it. We understand the issues that have been faced. But for us to start to think about the next 100 years, and this infrastructure will be here for a long time.
According to the National Works Agency, despite the revised contracts for Hagley Park Road, for instance, it's hoping the work will be finished before then.
We'll see what remains. Larger cleanup and paving of the underground part, and it is our plan, as you have instructed, that we're out of here before the end of August.
The agency says there have been a variety of setbacks, from broken water mains to manholes like these along Hagley Park Road running into conflict with the drainage system.
We are reconstructing the manhole at this location, so we shift it a few meters from the original position, and we'll be connecting up all of those conduits to facilitate cabling in the future. Right, in a nutshell, that's basically what we're doing. We had some setback. I wouldn't have been here. I didn't the pipe damage last week, so the whole area was flooded out, as you can see. A lot of silt and thing, but we are getting the job done. We are already working closely with them, and we have a working relationship and understanding dealing with it.
It's a problem Mr. Holness attributes to the original road infrastructure, which was laid decades ago.
Previously, when the infrastructure was laid, there was really no planning. There is very little coordination of where telecommunication pipes and ducts would go, where drainage pipes would go, where water pipes would go, where sewer pipes would go. So as you can see, it's quite confusing. The learning from all of that is that new projects, especially those that are greenfield projects, everything will be in order.
The Prime Minister and other stakeholders toured the work sites on Sunday. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.